Welcome to an in-depth analysis for those who have truly outgrown the limitations of beginner investment applications. If you're executing multiple weekly trades, if the speed of execution impacts your profits, or if you need to operate in the international market, then you have arrived at the right place. The reality in the year 2026 is that we are no longer comparing colorful interfaces or social media platforms. Today, we are going to dissect two financial war machines, Interactive Brokers and TradeStation. On the one hand, we have the unparalleled global access provided by IBKR. On the other, TradeStation's elite technical automation capabilities. This review is going to be honest and raw. We're not looking for the most aesthetically pleasing option, but rather the most efficient one for a professional trading environment. Before we delve into the specifics, we must be absolutely clear. These platforms are not designed for passive investors. If your strategy is simply to purchase an index fund once a month and then log off, these tools are excessive and will likely prove frustrating for you because of their inherent complexity. We are speaking with day traders, swing traders, future speculators, and writers of complex options who make their living from market volatility. In 2026, there are two demands. The first is lightning-fast execution. In active trading, a millisecond of delay or a bad order routing can cost hundreds of dollars. Level 2 data, it is the second one. You need to observe the market's depth, who is actually buying, and at what true price, going beyond the simple bid, and ask. Now, in 2026, the ability to connect your strategy to an API or program a bot is a basic competitive advantage and not a luxury. Interactive Brokers is, for many, the gold standard of institutional brokerage available to retail investors. IBKR Lite offers $0 commission-free trading for U.S. stocks and ETFs, but it utilizes the payment for order flow, or PFOF, model. This means you'll experience a standard execution speed, similar to what you find with typical consumer trading applications. IBKR Pro, specifically designed for the professional. Here, you pay fractional commissions, but you utilize advanced smart routing technology. This powerful tool actively searches for the best price across numerous markets, often saving you more through price improvement than you pay in commission fees. The global advantage offered by IBKR is unmatched in scope and has no rival. It provides direct access to over 150 markets in 34 countries worldwide. Next up, we have multi-currency management. You can fund your account in one currency and then seamlessly trade assets in others, which makes it absolutely indispensable for the global macro trader. Finally, we have the ITWS interface. Its flagship platform, Trader Workstation, TWS, is widely known for being immensely powerful, but also visually quite chaotic. Even though its web and desktop environments have undergone modernization for the year 2026, regrettably, the learning curve continues to be quite steep and necessitates considerable dedication. So, to conclude this particular slide, we present two distinct versions: the Lite, which is primarily designed for more casual users, and the Pro, where you'll find every feature readily available, albeit with differing commission structures. Furthermore, unfortunately, its interface continues to be one of the most complex ones to use. It's very, very comprehensive, but because it's so complex, it might take you a bit longer to learn to use it correctly, but that's perfectly fine. It's just a matter of practice until you learn to use it correctly. If IBKR is the king of access, TradeStation is the king of technology applied to technical analysis. Its cutting-edge software, the TradeStation 10 platform, is considered one of the best technical analysis environments in the world. It's designed for traders who live on the charts. TradeStation provides access to decades of historical data, capturing every single market tick. This allows you to thoroughly test complex trading strategies against past market conditions before risking even a single real dollar. Easy Language is their crowning jewel. It's a proprietary programming language, similar to English, that allows any trader, even without being a programmer, to create personalized indicators, market scanners, and fully automated trading algorithms. This is the ideal platform for any trader who desires the machine to execute their plan with surgical precision, while they themselves concentrate on the strategy. Let's look at the cold, hard numbers, because in active trading, operational costs are your primary business expense. Buy BKR Pro uses a tiered model from $0.0035 per share or a fixed $0.005 per share. TradeStation, on the other hand, offers $0 commissions for standard routing, which is extremely competitive. Buy BKR Pro varies between 15 cents and 65 cents per contract, depending on volume and premium. Compared to TradeStation, which has a fixed cost of 60 cents per contract with no base fee. Now, in futures, IBKR is highly aggressive, dropping to just 85 cents per contract for high-volume trades. On the other hand, TradeStation is priced at $1.50 per contract per side. This is a critical point in 2026. IBKR continues to dominate the industry, offering the lowest margin loan interest rates in the retail market, making it ideal for those who trade with short or medium-term leverage. Beyond the cost, there's also the daily operational efficiency. Buy BKR Pro is the undisputed leader, particularly when it comes to achieving optimal price improvement for large blocks of stock. TradeStation, however, truly excels in its execution speed for programmatic and fully automated trading strategies. The radar screen tool by TradeStation is legendary. It allows you to classify thousands of symbols in real time based on your own customized technical criteria. Now, when it comes to customer support, there's a very clear difference. TradeStation offers dedicated support desks exclusively for active traders. IBKR Pro, true to its characteristic style, assumes you are a self-sufficient professional. Their support has historically been its weak point, and it's designed for those who already know what they're doing. Now, regarding visualization, imagine a hyper-personalized TradeStation desktop screen with its custom indicators versus a dense financial data waterfall from IBKR's TWS. The ultimate decision truly comes down to your specific business model. You should choose Interactive Brokers. If you're actively trading in international markets outside of the United States, you frequently need to convert foreign currencies. You extensively utilize margin for your trading positions, or you're moving such substantial volumes of shares that price improvement becomes your absolute top priority. Now, choose TradeStation if you're a pure technical analyst who primarily trades in U.S. markets, blindly trusts backtesting before trading, and wants to automate your strategies using algorithms with easy language. In 2026, trading is truly a profession of precision. Choose the right tool that enhances your strengths and minimizes your friction, wishing you great success in your operations.